So, as you can see, the data from our recent internal audit highlighted a recurring issue. While direct patient-provider communication, be it with nurses or doctors, generally scores quite well, the significant gap identified lies in the handover process. Specifically, the transfer of critical patient information between medical officers and nursing staff at shift changes or when patients move between wards. This isn't just about efficiency, it's a patient safety concern. Therefore, the new clinical liaison coordinator role has been specifically designed to bridge this communication gap. Their primary focus will be to streamline and standardize the flow of information between the medical team and the nursing team, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of patient status, orders, and care plans. This collaborative approach, we believe, will significantly reduce errors and enhance overall patient care delivery.
Mihira, I understand that dealing with persistent fatigue and feeling run down can be incredibly draining, not just physically, but emotionally as well. It's completely normal for these ongoing physical symptoms, even if they're due to something treatable like anemia, to affect your mood and make you feel stressed or low. Because your mind and body are so connected, it's important we support both right now. To help you manage the emotional weight of this, I strongly suggest you reach out for some mental health support. Having someone reliable to talk to can make a huge difference. You might find comfort in sharing your feelings with your family or trusted friends who know you best. For more structured support, consider seeking out a professional. While you might not be in school, seeking out a counselor or psychologist can provide you with confidential, structured ways to process the anxiety or sadness you've been feeling about your health. Sometimes just talking through your concerns with a neutral professional can lighten the load considerably. In addition to seeking support from others, you can also cultivate self-compassion practices to care for yourself daily. Mihira, think of this as being your own kind friend. Simple practices like journaling can be very therapeutic. Writing down your thoughts and feelings without judgment helps to release them. You might also try using positive affirmations. These are short, kind, and realistic phrases you repeat to yourself to counter negative self-talk, such as, "I'm strong enough to get through this," or "I deserve care and rest." Finally, engaging in mindfulness, even just for a few minutes a day, by focusing on your breath or a peaceful sound, can help ground you and reduce that feeling of being constantly overwhelmed by your symptoms. These practices won't eliminate the anemia, but they will equip your mind to cope better while your body is healing.